This is Building 2 at the Bascom Commerce Center.
Little different.
Or a telephone. It smells really good in this elevator. Motor was
That's
replaced.
access on both call sessions.
Well, yeah, that's 2 floors.
This one doesn't have the grates on the side.
Yeah, it does. Or it's on the back.
Yeah, I like the other one.